To measure shoulder horizontal abduction range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine, with the elbow extended and the forearm in neutral rotation. The glenohumeral joint is positioned at the edge of the examining table. The shoulder will be abducted 90 degrees by the examiner once the measurement process begins. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the superior aspect of the acromion process. The stationary arm is aligned parallel to the floor, and the moving arm is aligned with the midline of the humerus toward the lateral humeral epicondyle.
Mr. Barnes, I'm going to measure how much you can move your shoulder using this device. First, let's move your arm out to the side like this. When I ask you to, I want you to move your arm downwards towards the floor, like this, and hold it there. Now hold your arm this way first. Now move your arm down towards the floor and hold it there.